I hated budgets for 10 years. Then I found a system so simple I actually stick to it. No spreadsheets required. Too detailed, tracking every coffee creates burnout. Too restrictive, feels like punishment, not a plan. Requires constant maintenance. Life happens and it falls apart. Step 1. Automate savings and debt payments on payday. Step 2. Pay all fixed bills, rent, utilities, subscriptions. Step 3. Whatever's left, spend freely without guilt. Calculate. Income, savings, fixed bills equals guilt-free spending number. That's your weekly spending limit. Only track one number. Check account balance on Sunday, adjust Monday. That's it. 1. List all recurring bills and amounts. 2. Set savings auto-transfer for the first of the month. 3. Calculate your weekly spending number. Write it on your phone. Get my simple budget template at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.